Hi, I want to show you how you can save money with Promedent, a private health services plan administrator. Have you ever spent money on dental, eyewear, or medicines? With Promedent, these medical and dental expenses can be written off as a business deduction, and as an employee, you'll receive tax-free reimbursement of your medical expenses. That is Promedent. That is our goal. We want to put money back into your pocket. To get an understanding of how much you can save, let's start with an example. Let's say you have a $150,000 annual income and you've incurred a medical expense of $5,000. In order to pay for this $5,000 medical expense without Promedent, it will actually cost you over $8,000. And that's because $3,000 is going to the taxman. But not to worry, with Promedent, you don't pay the taxman. You don't have to pay that $3,000 in tax. So with Promedent, you save over $3,000 in tax, and that's because that medical expense is paid for with before tax dollars. You're probably wondering now, is this acceptable by CRA? And the answer is yes. PHSPs have been around since 1989. They are a tax-saving vehicle to pay for healthcare costs of employees and their families, including dependents, children, and spouse. What are the benefits of using Promedent and a PHSP? Well, the number one is save money and pay less tax. As an employer, you benefit because those healthcare costs can be written off as a 100% tax-deductible business expense. And as an employee, you benefit because those healthcare costs become 100% tax-free reimbursable to you. What are eligible healthcare expenses that can be claimed with Promedent? Some common examples would be dental, prescription eyewear, prescription medicines, chiropractor, RMT, physiotherapy, surgeries, and naturopath. But basically anything prescribed or performed by a licensed practitioner is eligible. I invite you to look under our frequently asked questions section under the eligible expenses to get a more comprehensive list of what's eligible. Unlike insurance, Promedent is more flexible because with a PHSP, you set your own limits. If you currently do have an insurance plan, Promedent can be used as a top-up plan to claim the expenses which are not covered by your insurance. What makes Promedent the best PHSP in Canada? Well, we are the lowest fee on the market, and we have been for over 15 years. We were founded in 2000 by a CPA, and it has been our primary goal to save you money. That's why we only charge a one-time, lifetime sign-up fee of $150 and a $50 processing fee per claim submitted. Other PHSP services charge between 5 to 10% processing fee. So for that $5,000 expense that we were talking about earlier in our example, you'd be paying a fee of over $500. But with Promedent, you only pay $50. I hope you can see how Promedent can benefit your business, its employees, and their families. If you're interested in enrolling, I invite you to click the Enroll tab above and follow the prompts. To remember Promedent, think of professional, medical, dental. Promedent.